Yo, 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 welcome to the show. This is a Lingo. Yes, I'm your host, Jeremy.
And I'm your co-host, John.
All right, today we're going to learn how to say no-brainer in Chinese.
And I'm glad you've brought that up because last week I put myself in a bit of a situation.
Wow.
I was with a colleague. She asked me, do you think I'm pretty? Great question. She's very pretty. And I looked at her and I said, it's a no-brainer. Then she walked away and she looked pissed off. So I need you to help me because I need to know how to say this in Chinese.
You said it's a no-brainer, right?
Correct.
Well, she probably thinks that no-brainer means no means 没有 in Chinese. Brainer means 脑子.
So you're telling me she took it literally? That she thought I said she had no brain?
Yeah. So she may think you said, hey, you're pretty.
Yeah.
But you don't have a brain.
It's not
Your
good.
face, 脑残, no brainer. Yeah,
Okay.
she probably think that way. So I'm gonna teach you today how to say no brainer in authentic Chinese.
Perfect.
All right. Next time you can speak to her in Chinese directly.
Okay. And I won't get in trouble. I won't offend her.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
No brainer means 不费事，毫不费力，表示不用用脑子去思考就能得出来的结果，并不是表示没有脑子。
So typically when you use the word no-brainer, it means requiring little mental effort or intelligence to get you through that situation.
So, hey John, you know when I was studying in America, a lot of my classmates asked me, hey Jeremy, why do Asians always got full score in a final exam, right?
Yeah.
It's not because gene, it's not because of race, it's because we do the work. We work, we study 24/7. It's from hard work. It's not about racial stuff, right?
Exactly.
So don't next time see an Asian, dude, that guy must be a genius. Dude, that guy must be a mathematician.
He just puts in the work.
Yeah, we just do the work. You know, I have a friend, he didn't get full score in SAT, right?
Yeah.
And I said to him, dude, next time, be an Asian. All right, now let's look at our examples. His hard work has made the final exam a no-brainer for him. All right? 他的努力让期末考试看起来毫不费力。So right here, no-brainer 表示毫不费力。
No-brainer, 毫不费力.
Yeah, 毫不费力。
I think I got the hang of that one.
Yeah, me super easy.
Yeah.
No-brainer for me, the findings, because I do the fucking work. All right. So, I know you love watching American TV shows,
Of
right?
course.
So, what is your favorite TV shows?
For me, there's a lot, but it's a no-brainer which one's number one. Do you want to take a guess?
Yeah. Based on your personality, I think House of Cards.
You don't know me well enough, no.
Maybe superheroes.
Kind of.
All right. Which Netflix or HBO?
It's on HBO. You got to get it now. I've given you too much.
Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
Yes.
No-brainer.
All right. So give or your example.
So for me, Game of Thrones, it's a no-brainer. It's a number one TV show. Today, tomorrow, in the future, forever.
所以你可以说 Game of Thrones 权力的游戏是 HBO 上毫无疑问最受欢迎的电视剧。这里面呢就表示毫无疑问。It's a no-brainer. 毫无疑问。
This one's a bit harder. 毫无疑问.
毫无疑问 means no question, no doubt. It is the best. It is the most popular Game of Thrones.
Lovely.
The mother of dragon. All right. John, do you think you can handle this issue?
I'm your best friend. It's a no-brainer. I'll handle it.
You are the man.
You're too kind.
All right. So right here, it's a no-brainer means 没问题.
没问题.
It's a no-brainer.
没问题.
没问题，没问题。我把刚才说的大致翻译一下。I asked John, like, do you think you can handle this issue, right? 你觉得你能搞定这件事情吗？这样说的，哎，你是我最好的朋友，没问题，没问题。And I said to him, you are the man, you are the man. 表示
你真棒。
对，你真棒，你
谢谢。
真棒，并不能直接翻译成你是这个男人，你是这个男人，表示你真棒的意思。You're the man.
Thank you.
All right. Hey John, do you think should we go on vacation in Australia or in Russia in December?
I thought you'd never ask. For me, it's a no-brainer. We're going to go to Australia. It's sunny, it's hot, the weather's perfect. Russia is a little bit too cold.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. So right here, it's a no-brainer 翻译成这还用想，这还用想，
这还用想。
这还用想 means you don't have to think about it. Of course, Australia, because in December, Russia gonna be super cold, right?
Yes.
So super freezing.
Too
but
cold.
Australia, it's like in the summer, right?
25 to 30 degrees. Perfect. You'll have the time of your life.
Yeah, I'll miss the time and spending in Sydney.
Yeah.
All right. So no-brainer right here is 这还用想，这还用想. All right. So let's do a little wrap up. Today we learn it's a no-brainer in many situations, right? Then you can translate in different Chinese, right?
Yeah.
So some we can translate like a 毫不费力. Some can translate like a 毫无疑问 or 这还用想 or 很简单. Now question for you, John.
Yes.
So if that lady, your colleague, right, female
Yes.
colleague, gonna ask you the same question, hey, do you think I'm pretty?
I'm gonna respond to her 这还用想.
Yes.
And she won't be offended.
Yeah. She will be very like it.
Okay, good.
So 这还用想 means you don't have to think about it. You are pretty. You are gorgeous.
Good.
All right. So yes, this is Lingo. Yes, the best platform to learn Chinese. If you like our program, please subscribe to our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and
YouTube.
I'm your host Jeremy.
And I'm the co-host John. Take care and see you next time.
See you. Bye bye.